Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both devices and opening the Laxasfit Pro app on your phone. This centralizes the connection process. Make sure phone Bluetooth and location are enabled because the app uses both to discover the watch. Once done, put the watch into pairing mode from its settings or initial welcome screen so it broadcasts. This avoids multiple device conflicts. You're initiating a direct link. The app will detect the watch and prompt you to continue. Tap the detected device to move to the next step. After the app detects the watch, you'll see a matching code on both screens. Confirm they match to secure the connection and prevent accidental pairing with nearby devices. Then, accept the permission requests, notifications, contacts, and health data, because these allow features like message alerts and activity sync to work correctly. Next, choose what to sync: workouts, heart rate, or contacts. This determines battery and data usage. Once you confirm, the app begins initial sync. Progress appears and completes in a few minutes. Finish by waiting for the full sync to complete. Then test notifications and a sample call so you confirm real-time alerts. If pairing fails or is flaky, reboot both the phone and watch first. This clears transient Bluetooth states. If issues persist, clear Bluetooth cache on Android or forget device on iPhone, then repair. Alternatively, uninstall and reinstall Laxasfit Pro to reset app settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm OS versions are compatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.